Hi kids, my name is Nicole and this is Let's Make Art and you are here to paint and I have a very special guest. This is
Aleena.
Aleena, and how old are you?
6.
6. And your favorite colors are?
Rainbow.
Yes.
Rainbow.
And we're painting rainbow.
Yes.
Little kitties. So we have our paper out. So we're going to be using paper, and then the other supplies we have some crayons. So we're going to use it at the very end to add our
faces.
Yeah. And then the whiskers, and then what else do we got there?
We got a pencil and paper.
Yes. And then for the colors, grab any watercolors that you want because we're going to be making a whole rainbow of colors.
Why is this one opened? I did ask you to. Oh.
We forgot to close it.
Oh my God.
So let's start with our motto. So you know the motto?
I saw it in the video.
Do you want to say it?
I can't remember now.
Say, I am brave. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
Both.
Both? Okay, we'll do it together. So I am
brave.
So repeat after us. We'll do it again. Sorry, one more time. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
And I am creative. Let's do it.
Yes.
I know this.
That was so good. Okay, so first step is grab your pencil and we're gonna draw circles. So you are an artist, so you get to decide how many circles they are, how big they are.
Are we gonna make some spaces or just do the whole circle?
Oh, it's a good idea. Let's leave a little bit of space because we gotta add some ears.
Okay.
So you're gonna draw some circles like you said and then leave some space in between. So you can draw them big, you can draw them small, but yes, leave some space around because we're gonna add. Oh, you went for it. Yeah. So you can either go and draw the ears at the same time, or if it's helpful, you can draw just circles first. I love that.
So much. I'm gonna draw a giant one.
Okay, draw.
Giant. And now this is gonna be my giant one.
So you can draw them like that, and then so she's drawing her ears at the same time. That's okay. Yeah, you can add ears. So you can add ears.
I'm gonna be some with spaces and some with no spaces.
Okay, good idea. I like that.
Wow.
So after you draw your circles, you're gonna draw triangles for the ears on the left and right tops of your
This
cats.
is a lot of cats.
Yes. I'm trying to think. Keenan, can you tell us and look up what a group of cats is called?
Oh.
Do you know the answer? Because I think I don't know if that's
No. Not a flock.
no. You gonna add some more? Yeah, add a few more to the top. So when you're done with that, then we are done with our pencils. The next step is having your watercolors. So we have a few colors out. I'm gonna put out our rainbow of colors. So we have a red. We have a yellow.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do all the cats so. I'm gonna do some that are rainbow and not rainbow.
Good idea. I like that.
I'm gonna do the ones that are rainbow on the ones that have spaces in them, and then I'm gonna do the ones that don't have spaces in them with any color that I want.
Okay. Deal. Can I show you how to mix some colors? We're gonna show them how to do this. So pick up your brush, and here's what I want you to start with, is pick one of yours.
And before you add a color on there, you get water.
Yes, good idea. Yes. So dip your brush in water. You're gonna hit it off to the side just like she said. Yeah. Do you wanna share this one or you have some water over here? Do you like this one?
Oh, yes.
Which one do you want? You can pick.
Can I have this one?
Yes. Okay, we'll switch. So she likes the big brush bration, which is really cool. Okay, so dip your brush in water, hit it off to the side, and I want to teach you a trick. So start with yellow. Pick any of your cats that you want to paint rainbow.
What is
So
this
start
one?
with the color.
What is this one?
I'll show you. So let's see. I'm going to show her
Oh,
what colors.
blue.
Blue.
I want to make mine some light blue.
Yeah, so you can either mix it on your palette. Are you going to mix some light blue? Or what I want to show you is if you want to pick a color. I'm going to pick yellow because I want to show you is that we're going to mix 2 different colors. So if I mix the yellow, or you can go for it like Aleena's going in.
Yeah. It makes green.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to make green? Yes. So yellow and blue together make green, just like that. So we showed you that color, yellow and red.
I'm going to use my small one. So
small brush?
Yes.
Good idea. Okay, so yellow and red make orange. Kind of have a lot of red on there, so maybe you add in some more yellow to make orange. So we have the rainbow of colors that you can make. So so we have red, and then orange we just made, yellow. She made green, which is yellow.
Sometimes I just, sometimes I don't actually follow, like, on the videos. Yeah. I just do my own colors and mix a bunch of colors together, not noticing, and sometimes it makes a nice color.
Fun. You're just experimenting. I love that.
Ooh.
I found out what a group of cats.
Look what I made.
Ooh, pretty color.
I mixed brown and this red.
That's a pretty color.
I think actually I mixed the blue with
Which cat are you going to paint that color?
Ooh. Actually, I'm just going to do a bunch of colors and not make rainbow white.
Okay, do it. Yes, Keenan, go.
You'll have to repeat it because I'm kind of quiet, so I'm far away.
Okay, so a group of cats is called?
A clouder.
A clouder?
Yep.
That's a group of cats?
A group of cats is called a clouder, or you can call it a clutter.
Clutter.
Or you can call it a glaring.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Wow.
Isn't that so strange?
Are you taking a video with it? I see the phone.
The phone's right here.
Oh, it just has the writings.
Wow, I did not know that.
I didn't either.
Do you know how to make purple?
I forgot.
Purple is blue and red together. So if you want to make a purple cat,
Ooh, blue and red.
blue and red. So this is how you can mix different colors together to make more colors.
I'm gonna mix them on my paper.
Okay, do it. I like that. So yeah, there's a few different ways you can mix it on your paper. You can mix it on your palette. And
Whoa.
you get to decide. Pretty.
It's kind of turning into like some pink or something.
Oh yeah. That's fun. So we're just going to be here painting. Now,
Oh my gosh.
if you want to make some that are like the color of your cat.
Now it's looking purpley. I put more blue, that's why.
Nice. So if you want to make, you can make different colors. So maybe if you want to make like a light gray for this one, we have some black.
Whoa.
Cool.
I made a bunch of different colors like brown, purples, pink, and violet.
That's a cool cat. So if you add water to any color, it'll make it lighter. So I was able to make light gray by adding water to my black.
Whoa, this made black. I mixed it with the new color.
Good job.
Fun.
And then maybe you can add some stripes. So a few other fun things that you can do and have fun. Or maybe you add some stripes. Whoa, that was a big dot.
Ah!
Fun. So this was wet. So maybe I'll do dots on this cat.
I know what to do. But actually, this looks kind of like gray.
It's like a blue-gray. That's pretty. So maybe you add some dots, you add some stripes, and just have fun. So we painted ours, we let it fully dry, so make sure to let yours really dry. Then what we're gonna do is you're gonna use your crayons.
So if you don't let it dry, then you might miss a spot.
Yeah.
And if you know you missed a spot and you see something really droppy, that means it's like kind of wet. So you know when it's wet, so like I told you, it's light when you dry it.
Yeah.
And then so paint is kind of dark when you put it on the paper. And then if you see a missing spot, then you'll just do it.
Nice. Yes.
Because you can see the darkness.
And then you can let it dry. And then what we're going to do is you're going to pick any of your crayons and you're going to draw some different eyes. So there's a few different ones. You said you wanted to do one winking.
Yes.
So you can do a cat where they're winking. So if you want to do that.
I already did one. Both eyes are winking.
Love it. So you can draw your eyes with a circle. I like to leave a little space in between. And then if you want to do a winking, you can do kind of a smiley face.
Whoa.
Maybe it's winking with some eyelashes. So you're going to draw the eyes. The nose is a really small triangle. And then for the mouth, what you can do is...
Oh my gosh.
You can do two kind of smiley faces together. So it makes like the nose and the smiley face together.
This one is surprised.
Yeah, that's what's fun. So you can make them look like they're different things. Maybe this guy's sleeping. So there are little ways that you can change.
I'm going to change my eyes.
I love that. Change the expression of your cats. Ooh, and also, if you want to draw some whiskers, do your cats have whiskers?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's just going to be however many lines you want coming out from the sides. So draw some whiskers. And then don't forget to name your cats. Because this is our
I don't think I'm going to name all.
Clouder.
Clouder.
Or clutter.
I
Or
know
clutter.
what this one is going to be.
Yeah? What are you thinking? Yeah, you got Skip. You got Claw.
I know what this one is going to be.
What's it going to be?
Relax.
Oh. So keep drawing and having fun, and then we'll meet you at the end. So we added our smiley faces. I love how you said some of them are happy. There's so many different
This one
expressions.
is calm and this one is really happy.
So much fun. Can we show everyone our painting? So we want to see what you make. We have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids Projects and Instagram called Let's Make Art Kids. And this was so much fun. Thank you for joining me.
You're welcome.
And also, I wanted to tell you, we have so many other animal projects. If you like this one, we have another cat project. We have
Or a
dog
dog
project.
one?
Yeah. Or there's bird ones.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So many different ones. And always remember that you're brave, kind, and so creative. And thank you all for painting with me. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.